Well, good morning YouTube. Good morning beautiful people. Mark here from MJ Drive. Thanks for stopping by the channel, much appreciated as always. So guys, it's actually I will say that I hope you guys enjoyed that last video on the K&N air filter. It has been going alright with it, I must admit. It's not too bad. You can definitely hear some more induction noise. See if you can hear anything, but there's definitely a lot more noise within the cabin of the air filter, guys. Excuse me. So we're off and up early this morning. It's come to that time again. I think it was over a month ago that the car went in for its pressure test, and today is that day again where the car has got to go in for this replacement head gasket, guys. So it's going to happen today, so a little bit sad. Going to take the car down to Ford and drop it off and get this, I guess, this situation rectified. It's sort of be nice to get it done. A bit of a peace of mind knowing that it's all fixed and I don't have to worry about the car exploding. So they're telling me again, pretty much similar to last time. They're saying 4 days and a loan car. So we'll see how we go. Loan car's booked in. Take it down there and see what car I end up with, and basically see what they say. It has come as well too the month before the K's. What have I got? I got nearly 13,000 kilometers already on this car. It's definitely a daily for me. I do enjoy driving it, but I thought it is due for a service. So while the car has obviously been up on the hoist, it will get a service as well. Kill the two birds with one stone, as they say. So we'll get a service done on it. So I want to see what they say. If anyone can let me know. Obviously they've got to do the head gasket, and it needs a service. Do they actually need to, you know, drop the oil, or is there any parts that are going to be compensated because it needs a head gasket, so it would make the service a lot cheaper? They told me around $370 for its first 15,000 K service, which is a little bit steep. What is it? Oil filter, and I guess a little bit of labor. You know, the car's still fresh. It does. And also too, the other night I noticed as I was driving home from work that some people call it the fake sound inside, that sound composer. Obviously the Australian model doesn't have that subwoofer in the back with the amp, which they reckon generates the noise through the speakers, which I don't mind the sound inside. I actually quite like it. It makes for a pleasant drive. It's not so quiet in the cabin, but I found it was quite unusual. I was driving and that the noise with inside the cabin for some reason went real quiet, which I found real quite strange. So I will tell Ford service about that, see if they can work out what it is, and let us know. Does the sound come through the speakers on the Australian models? I haven't really noticed. I can notice that there's a lot more induction sound, whether it's through the air filter coming into the cabin, but there is a bit of a mix for them. I know a lot of people don't like that fake sound. Some people call it fake sound. I don't know how, where it's just enhanced, whether it is a sound supposer or it's coming through the speakers. It's obviously the sound, I believe, without, you know, within the car that's coming in, give you a bit more noise, which is a good thing. So let us know if anyone has had that problem with it.